description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. This is, go to Myojo, spelled M-I-A-U, MyoboxJapan.com. And use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Ippei Smoky Cheese Yakisoba. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. That's what we do. So, we are going to make this happen. Whether it should happen or not, I will let you know. Noodle block. Too steep. In the water. 3 minutes. It is not being so sunny out right now, which is a good deal. There we go. So I guess I'll show you something cool. I got a new setup for shooting pictures of shooting pictures of noodle packs and stuff. I gotta do it over there usually, but here is what the back of this stuff I use looks like. Here's the front and another piece of that. And what's rad is it connects to wait for it. Come on, what am I missing here? It usually connects together so nicely and happily. No, you go down here, connect. There we go. And it's a nice flat surface. And it's nice and big too, and it's sturdy and it's stable and it's rad, so I am stoked. Maybe in the summer I might spray paint this and use like a matte finish. But that's from a company called Flooret. F-L-O-O-R-E-T. And it's neat stuff. I mean, it's for doing up a floor. But obviously it has other purposes. So now you know. What else is going on? Trump got sentenced today. Did he get any time? No, but now he is officially a convicted felon, so that's the thing. What else? Not much. It's Friday. I'm happy it's Friday. And I walked around a little bit. Went to the thrift store. Nothing to see there. It's cloudy. There are fires all over Los Angeles. Hope everybody's doing well. Wow, what got on my glasses? Holy crap. They're filthy, and it's like there's something that like got on the front of them. Something splashed on them. I will have to do a more thorough cleansing of my glasses. I got these things at Costco a couple years ago, and it's like the more I actually wear them and clean them, the worse they look. It sucks. They're not filthy dirty usually. They're just like the stuff on them. Just whatever, you know. The treatment, the film. It's like degrading. I feel so degraded by my glasses. Draining my noodle. Okay. So, this is going to be tricky because I'm going to be able to put the yakisoba sauce on it right now. But there will be aspects that I will have to do after I take the pretty pictures. Smoky cheese, huh? Yeah. So we will try it like this. Oh, that smells really strange. I didn't think the yakisoba sauce per se would have... Oh, whoa, dude. I was talking to somebody about this variety today, and they didn't buy it because they were sold out. Yeah. I don't know. This is very odd. Cheers. Now it says within this sachet is a topping. This is weird. It does taste like smoky cheese. It just doesn't have that consistency. What do we got here? And this is like a cheesy topping, so I don't want to mix it in. Okay. So let's make it all pretty, do the pretty pictures, and then I'll come back and I'll try it that way, okay? Capiche? Good, good. Okay, so here's our plate of wonder and amazement. So we need our noodle. I'm going to add egg. My last egg of the week. Put it right on the side. Hey now. Come on. I'm gonna say it. It's kind of a bad egg right there. Ho 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 ho. I don't want it to scoot over there. And it's really difficult because this, wow. So this rotating platform of mine really doesn't like this. Yeah, this is like not working at all. Come on, Rotato. What's your deal? I think now I'll add this stuff. We'll add this powdered stuffings. Okay. Kind of like a weird cheesy deal thing. There's egg. A little bit of pork. A little porky there, yeah, a little bit of pork. Some scallion, some Naruto Maki, and if you can go right here, a little bit of sesame seed. It shouldn't really bother anything in the middle. Okay. And now we have one last sachet. and that is this. This is the mayonnaise sachet. Now the trick with this is to cut the corner just right so it has enough flow, but not too much. Yeah, that may have been too much, but we'll see. Oh my God. It's smoky mayo. Or smoky cheese mayo. There is a lot of smoky cheese flavor going on in this. And the sun's coming back. Great. All right, the sun is running away, so I'm going to take my pictures really quick. Like, really quick. And now it's coming back. So, yeah, we will wait and watch. Oh, it's gone again. And it's coming back again. Wait, son. All right, folks, we got it. So that sun, I tell you, especially the winter sun, it just seems to be that much brighter. But I'll show you what I almost forgot to do. There we go. What I almost forgot to do, this plate isn't perfectly round. So what I do is I use this. This is a mouse mat, but it's in a chroma. It's a green. So what I do is I take a shot of it, and then I can just take that background and then do an inverted selection, and then boom, it's totally cut out. Which honestly used to be a real pain, but I don't have to worry about that anymore. So, there's all this powder and mayo, and it already tasted like smoky cheese. What an amalgam of weirdness. So there we are. Cheers. That's pretty hideous. I really don't understand. Wow. I think the way they could have done this a little better, maybe a cheese cream with this a little, it's the smoky cheese and it's like just funky. I mean, that's just such a weird flavor. And the mayo with smoky flavor in it. Oh. Really doesn't work with chashu. Not at all. Wow. It's funny, I don't want to give it a 0, but I feel like I would be doing people a disservice unless I gave it a 0. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's like it doesn't work at all. The noodle is all right, but that flavor, it's like punishment food. They actually make such a thing. I think it's called Nutriloaf, something like that. It's for people who are being punished in like prisons, and they give them like Nutriloaf. But yeah, it's not good. It's not a good idea. I'm sure it's probably close to being off the market. It came out in November of last year. I think November 1st. Was it fun to try? Yeah, and I'm sure a lot of people got it for that specific reason. I don't think there was anybody who bought like 5 cases of this saying, "This is the best thing I've ever had." But but going into this, I had one, it was a Myojo Ippei variety, and it was tartar sauce flavor. And I was thinking, like, folks, that is going to be filthy horrible. I'm sure it was on, I did an episode when I made it and tried it. But, that was actually good. This, there's just too much of that funky, fake, smoky flavor. Although it does remind me a lot of just like smoky cheddar. But in this particular, I like smoky cheddar a lot, but in this configuration, I do not like it. It doesn't work. No. All right. Well, that's my week done. I'm going to do the dishes and edit my pretty pictures and call it a good one. So, this was episode, I don't know what episode number it is, but this will be review number 5,209. So, inching forward almost a quarter of the way to big number 6,000. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.